Chavy, who sold the old gas says, yeah, I think she needs a gasket. Considering I've just been stood there talking to a fella for a little bit. There's some of it over there on the floor. There's some more of it. There's some more of it. There's some more of it. You definitely drew on that. Right, where's little screwdriver on it? I need to stay there a second. Oh, God. So not only did they make their own gasket, right, they also masticed it in the fucking worst way possible. Look, oh, I can't even get a good bit. Hold on. There we go, that's a decent bit. What the fuck? Bathroom mastic. That's why you see windows and bars again. Oh, that's fucking mental, that is. And I don't think the piston was detonating because of the wrong fuel, like I said in the last video. I think it was detonating because the egg gasket was gone and then they bodged it and it's continued to go and they've just been running it. Because it was only water in the rad that I drained out, which obviously ain't great. And if they was running it with just water in there, that explains why she overheated a lot. And that explains why she's detonating the piston, doesn't it? Because that's unreal, that is. Like, I've said this before, I built the YZ144 out of just mastic. Like, I made my own, literally like this, I made my own gaskets and mastic it together, and it was 100%, but I only done it just to test fourth gear. Like, I bought the bike in boxes, had no understanding of its history, nothing, didn't know if the guy was being honest, so I tested it. But it was sick. I got the videos are on here. It was literally, it was fine. The pictures of the engine build are on here, it's fine. This is mental, bro. This is absolutely mental. Do you know how long this is actually going to take to clean properly? Like, even on the outside. What the fuck was you doing with this? Well, yeah, so we kind of need a cylinder job. Dude, the cylinder's massive. Give my whole hand in the cylinder, look. Oh, it's stuck. Give my whole hand in the cylinder, that's mad. That made the day, that did. But yeah, you can see where she was, like, about to put a hole in the piston there. And the arrow on this is going to the left. Or to the right, I should say, actually. I can't actually really see it. Where did I put the wire brushes in the box now? Yeah. I'm sure the arrow is meant to go exhaust, so I don't even know if this is the right piston, bro. Imagine that, it's not even the right fucking piston. But how the fuck? Because the pin's there, bro. It's got to go that way, innit? Yeah, look at these rings as well. They're weird rings. I ain't never seen rings like that. They're like lips, look. That's mad. Never seen rings like that before. Bottom ring's fucked though. Can see the spots on it. That's fucked. Oh shit! Sorry, Conrad. Didn't mean to do you like that. But yeah, look at just the whole state of it, bro. What the fuck? Sometimes I question why I do this to myself, but I know when this is done, it's gonna make me extra happy. The bike's gonna be sick, and it's gonna be good to put on the old page. You know, like good for people to look at. They'll be like, "Oh, if he sorted that out," and had the understanding to put it right. Must know what he's doing. And something I definitely know is what the fuck I'm doing. Alright, I have to go and get ready. I've got to drop someone to the hospital quickly, do them a little favour, and then the kids have got dentist. So that's about where I'm at today. Done thingy's carb as well, though. I had a little tidy up again. Had a little sort out. Oh no, I'm going to spray that thing on the van quickly. That's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to go and get ready to take kids to the, like, my man to the hospital and then kids to the dentist, bro. The joys.